to try those great balls of fire because hot food makes me sweat anyway. And
yeah.
I'm sure that I would just be sweating buckets if I tried more than one.
I'd probably get one or two down, and that's it. I like spicy food, but congrats to her. 41 of them. No wonder she can get her name on the Hall of Fame there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that one, but I can say that we did get warm today. Now, we weren't flaming hot like those appetizers there, but check it out, guys. We set another record today. Now, this is for the warmest February on record for Portland. Also, Salem, you hit that. So what you do is you take the highs and the lows, you divide by 2, and that's where we get the 49.2. So 2015, we did it. You can see the following years that we were very close to that. 1991 at 48.8, 48.6 in 1958, 1992, 1968, we hit 48.1. So for the month of February, we were 5 degrees above average, and this goes back to the record started in 1941. And go ahead and look at the month because all the numbers in red show you the days that we fell above average. This takes you to Valentine's Day. The 1st and the 5th, we were near average or below. That's where you see the blue color temperatures. We were also below average on the 25th. But look at all the red numbers all the way to today. We hit 57 degrees, again, well above the average. And we have to really talk about why this is happening. And it really affects our pattern. We have that ridge of high pressure that's been really locked in place. So the jet stream really lifts to the north. So we call this an amplified ridge. And that's why our weather's been so warm and very quiet, where the eastern parts of the United States has been very cold and very stormy. We've been seeing a little bit of a pattern change. At least yesterday we saw some rainfall come in and some slightly cooler temperatures. But again, I mean, we're well above average for this time of the year. 57 again for the high in Salem, Portland, 58 in Vancouver, as well as Astoria, 37 in Bend. You were cooler there in Baker City, 44 degrees. So slightly cooler temps when you're east of the mountains. And outside right now, we're going to cool down rapidly tonight. Right now we're sitting at 40 degrees. The skies are clear. We do have a light east wind at 5 miles per hour. There are plenty of stars out. So if you're out and about, have your jacket on. We're at 32 in Hood River, 35 in Salem right now. Could see a little patchy fog later tonight. 37 right now in Astoria. You can see below freezing for Bend, Prineville, and even Pendleton right now at 27 degrees. So here's the planner for tomorrow morning. 32. It's going to be a cold start for us, but lots of sunshine for the afternoon hours. Once we start to get into the late afternoon, you're most likely going to start to see some high clouds increasing ahead of a little disturbance that's going to start to make its way in. But tomorrow, still looking at temperatures right around 58 degrees. So again, clear skies for tonight. And as we zoom out and look at the big pattern here, again, the ridge of high pressure is off toward the west. We had that trough, the area low pressure that sagged to the south that we saw up in Portland yesterday, now is down around the Bay Area in Los Angeles. Actually brought some hail around the Bay Area. And out east, you can see the snow in the Ohio Valley, where the upper Midwest is just shivering right now under very cold temperatures. So tonight, the ridge of high pressure is really going to dominate for us. But what I'm watching is a disturbance that's basically going to go up and right around that. And that's going to come into our area by tomorrow evening. So as you look at the rain and cloud forecast, you're going to start to notice some clouds increasing here on the map. So here's around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You'll probably start to notice some of these high clouds filtering in. Once we get into the overnight hours, that's when we could see a few sprinkles along the coast, potentially here in the metro area. Here's 1:30 in the morning. Again, not much moisture with this. It's going to quickly move to the south, and you can see we clear out nicely coming in on Monday afternoon into the evening hours, and I think really our 7-day forecast is just going to be very nice. In fact, check it out. We'll have a little fog here and there, maybe Tuesday and Thursday, but notice our temperatures in the upper 50s to the lower 60s by next weekend, Ken.
And it looks like we still have plenty of sunshine, too, from those pictures there.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, all right. Thanks a lot, Riley. Well, the Portland Timbers take their final shots of the preseason.